I had to get the Honda Fury registration and license renewal done, but then this happened. Battery is completely dead. So now in this video I'm going to replace the battery. Plus I noticed that the headlight is also, the bulb is out, so I need to replace that as well. So this is the original battery that is used on this bike. It's from Japan. It's YTZ14S, and I'm going to also replace the headlight as I mentioned. This is the Philips 5000K, which is white light. So here's the positive terminal, and on this side is the negative terminal. Slide it out. That's it. So this is the 12 volt 11.2 ampere hour 10 hour battery, and that's exactly what I've gotten. Let's open it up and connect it to the bike. Some paperwork. So positive terminal, negative terminal. There are a pair of new screws inside. Okay, let's slide the battery in. Okay, so the most difficult part is to actually put this nut behind the negative terminal, because this bolt has to go, or the screw has to go inside between the terminal. Okay, let me pull it out again. So see, this is where this has to sit while you are sliding the battery in. So that's going to be slightly complicated, but let's try. Make use of the screw so that it is in place, and then I'll remove it and then put it back in. Okay, so let me try if this will work out. You have to be very careful by not disturbing the nut too much, otherwise it will slide out. Should be pretty easy for the positive terminal. Okay, so it's still in place. Hopefully it will go inside. Finally managed to get the screw in. Let's do the same on the other side for the positive terminal. Slide it. That is also fully tight, and both terminals are now connected. Let's put the rubber strap here across for the protection of the battery, so that, I mean, there's no way that it can slide off, but still it just keeps the battery in place. So let's put that back on. That's it. Now let's put the cover back. There are these locks here. So the battery is in place. Let's now try to turn on the motorcycle. Okay, there you go. So if you look at the headlight, this one is gone. You see the center one? Okay, so to replace the light or the bulb, I'll have to first remove this outer casing. 3 screws that I'll have to remove. There's one here. I'll use the Allen key that comes with the toolbox here. That's the first one. There's one on the other side. and there is one at the bottom here. That was a little hard to pull off. Okay, and then this connector here. Let me take off the new one. Okay. That was pretty hard. Okay, at least the bulb is out. So there is top written here. I will align it with the light bulb. There you go. And put the connector back in. Make sure it sits tight. Put this back on. Again, I'll align the top properly. There's a groove here inside at the top, so this should actually fit inside that one. Just try to push this cables inside. Okay. Yes, it's gone in fine. Okay, finally everything is in. Let's put the screws back on. Let's put the tools back and start the bike. These are the buttons, so we'll have to actually press them so that the centerpiece pops out before actually putting them back on. This is slightly annoying, but yeah, just like this. Everything is back. Let me now check the light. Yeah. Not the best time to test it because it's still not too dark outside, but I can see the white light filling in. There you go, a little bit of DIY. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.